Imagine yourself in this Ford 2017 Fusion SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, phone voice activated, stability control, multi-function display, phone wireless data link Bluetooth, crumple zones front, crumple zones rear and impact sensor post-collision safety system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.